Welcome to Starsnip Gossip. From December 2024 through early 2026, the dispute between actor-director Justin Baldoni and actress Blake Lively over the film It Ends With Us has unfolded through public court filings, unsealed documents, and extensive media reporting. This narration lays out all major developments, allegations, and evidence as publicly documented, including new text exchanges between Lively and singer Taylor Swift. In late December 2024, Blake Lively filed a federal lawsuit against Justin Baldoni and related production entities, asserting claims of sexual harassment, emotional distress, and workplace hostility during the making of It Ends With Us. Lively's complaint described conduct on set that she contends was inappropriate and harmful. Other women involved in the film reportedly shared similar concerns. Baldoni denied the allegations. In January 2025, he filed a $400 million countersuit alleging civil extortion, defamation, and invasion of privacy. The countersuit was dismissed by a federal judge in mid-2025, and Baldoni did not refile. Throughout 2025, Discovery produced numerous private communications between the parties. Unsealed documents revealed emails and texts showing intense criticism of Baldoni from cast and crew, and discussions regarding strategy, production, and media coverage. In early 2026, texts between Blake Lively and Taylor Swift became public. These texts include Taylor Swift reportedly calling Justin Baldoni using the B word and mocking him with the phrase, "I think this B knows something is coming because he's gotten out his tiny violin." Blake Lively referring to Baldoni as a doofus and a clown, expressing frustration with his behavior on set. Blake allegedly asking Swift to endorse a revised version of the It Ends With Us script, even though Swift had not read it. Swift responding, "I'll do anything for you," demonstrating willingness to support Lively. Lively later praising Swift, texting, "You were so epically heroic today and you are the world's absolute greatest friend ever." Baldoni's legal team argued that these messages were relevant because they suggested Lively was leveraging her network of influential friends to support her position, potentially shaping public and media narratives. Swift's representatives maintained she had no creative or legal role in the film, and her only formal connection was licensing a song for the soundtrack. Other cast members, including Jenny Slate, shared criticisms of Baldoni on set. Texts and affidavits indicated that multiple actors found his behavior inconsistent with professionalism, sometimes labeling him an intense narcissist or a false ally. Lively's filings detailed additional production issues, including allegations that Baldoni mishandled sensitive scenes, such as birth sequences, and created a hostile work environment. Lively also disputed claims that third parties witnessed private confrontations, clarifying who was actually involved in these interactions. The legal proceedings continue through early 2026. Judges have ruled on discovery disputes, motions for evidence protection, and the scope of witness testimony. Swift was not deposed, and pretrial disputes focused on which materials will be allowed in court. For March 2026 in federal court in New York, leading up to the trial, additional evidence, affidavits, and witness testimony will be presented, including the unsealed messages between Lively and Swift. This ongoing dispute involves serious allegations of workplace misconduct, competing claims of reputational harm, and high-profile communications between Hollywood figures. Unsealed messages reveal private criticisms, expressions of support, and candid commentary that continue to fuel public and media attention. The trial will address these claims and determine the outcome based on sworn testimony, evidence, and court rulings.